If you ever wondered how to remove the clear screen on your dehumidifier bucket so you can clean underneath it, if you say, let's say you have mildew on it, so this is what you're going to do, guys. If you look to the left hand side of the handle in your dehumidifier bucket when it's facing you, again that's the left side, you're going to see that there's a way that you can push this left side of the handle out. Let's see if I can do it with one hand. Okay, like so. Push it out and then take it out, and then you remove the other side. So have that down, and now all you got to do is lift this up, and voila, you have it out. So now you have more access to all the corners of your bucket, so you can clean the bucket. And remember, do not take out the styrofoam underneath the float. If you do, the float is not going to come up, your dehumidifier is not going to be shut off when the bucket fills, and it's going to leak. And guess what? Warranty might not cover that. Okay guys, well I hope this helps, and have a good day.